here. If you guys are new to my channel, or if you are a returning viewer but you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as like this video. And please also make sure to click that bell, guys. That way you are always notified every time I upload a new video. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. In today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, I do have a Coach / Michael Kors unboxing for you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into my first unboxing, or I guess I could say unbagging, because it came in like one of those little paper bags. It is from Coach. Alright, so it came in a little bag like this. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Now this is just one of the items that came in so far that I ordered from Coach, and it is in SLG, and it's one of the newer items that came out that I did want to try. So we're gonna just toss that over there, and this is how it came packaged. Okay, and this is the pouch wristlet in signature. Now, I wasn't sure how big or how small this was, and it did look like it was pretty small. But y'all, look at it. It is so adorable. And it is in the signature. And I'll probably use this as a catch-all in my handbags. It does have a zipper on the top. It has the wristlet here that is not detachable. It has the gold hardware on it, the Coach on the front. So let's take a peek at how it looks in the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and take all the stuffing out. Okay, and I'll also read the card to you guys, show you guys the card. This is just the care card, and then the card is calling this the tan brown signature pouch wristlet. So that is what the card looks like. Okay, and this is just what it looks like in the inside, guys. So that is what it looks like in the inside. It doesn't have a back or a front slip pocket. It is just an open compartment. Now I do like the fact that this is like a light tan in the inside, so you can definitely be able to see your items that are in the inside compared to the ones that have the black or the ox blood fabric in the inside. So this was item number 1. Now the next item is from Michael Kors, and it is a big old box, y'all. So I'm going to try to get this box in frame for you guys. But this is the box. As you can see, it is a big box. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up because I do have my information on the side that's facing me. Now, this was one of the bags that I did want from Michael Kors. This bag was on sale, and I believe I picked this bag up for about $70, if I'm not mistaken. Now, I did ask for gift wrapping, but for some reason, it would not let me gift wrap this particular item. So, let's see how it looks in the box without showing you guys my information. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the box, and now I see why they gave me such a big old box. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out. It did have bubble wrap at the bottom as well too, so thank you, Michael Kors, for that. All right, so this is their Jet Set large travel tote bag, and the color ox blood. Yeah, so Jet Set travel. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like, y'all. I am so excited because this is actually my first large Jet Set travel tote bag from Michael Kors. Now I do have two of the mini ones, but I don't have any of the large ones, so I am excited to add this to my collection. Do y'all see this oxblood? It is so beautiful, y'all. I love this color, and this definitely screams fall, so I am excited about that. So let me go ahead and share with you guys some of the features of the bag. Now that I got all the paper off of this beautiful bag, let's go ahead and go over some of the details of the bag. So first of all, I want to share with you what colors are still available. Now, the oxblood is not available in this size, but I believe it's still available in the extra small. And in the large, the colors that are still available on this site is luggage, optic white, and powder blush, I believe. And the large one is right now going for $99. And they do have the buy two get 20% off sale. So I still think it's a great deal, even if you only purchase one of these bags for $99. It's still a great deal for this particular bag. So let's go over some of the features of this bag. Starting off with, this is 100% leather Saffiano tote bag, okay? All leather. Absolutely love that. Now, this does have gold hardware throughout, as you can see on the Michael Kors plate on the front. The buckles on the handles as well is in gold. The zipper pull is also in gold as well too. Now, this bag does not come with any feet, but that's okay. Now, the hang tag on here is also in gold, and I love the fact that Michael Kors adds this extra detail on their bags. I just absolutely love it. I think it is so gorgeous. So if you're one that likes to dress up your bag with the Michael Kors one, you don't really have to if you don't want to, because it comes with this beautiful gold hang tag on it to begin with. Okay, now this is a top zip closure. So the zipper on here is in the same color as the bag. So I absolutely love that as well too. Now in the inside of the bag, guys, it does only come with a back zipper compartment. And it does have that Saffiano Michael Kors leather tab on the back wall that says Michael Kors. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then it does have the zipper compartment here on the back wall of the bag as well too. Okay, now on the front wall, it does not have any slip pockets on the front wall, but that's absolutely fine because it does give us at least a zipper compartment on the back. And if you do the pouch system, then you probably wouldn't even need the slip pocket on the front, unless you just want to put items in there that you can just reach for. And I think that you can just use the back zipper compartment for that. Okay, it does not come with a key fob either. And as you can see on the back, it doesn't have a back zipper compartment, but I love the details that's on the front and the back of the bag as well too. Now, really quickly, I want to go over the dimensions of the bag. So the handle drop is 11 inches, guys, and that's give or take because these are adjustable. They do have 3 holes on here, so you can adjust it to make it longer or shorter to your need. Okay, so I love that about that. Now, on here, Michael Kors is saying the dimensions of this is the width of the bag is 17, and the height of the bag is 11.5, and then the depth of the bag is 6.25. Okay, so this is a big mama, and if you're like me and you love a large tote bag, this would definitely do it for you. I'm excited to have this in my collection. I am thinking about picking up another color. I'm not sure which one that I want. I might pick up the powder blush. I'm not sure yet. But that luggage one is looking kind of good too. And I do already have a Michael Kors Bedford in the luggage color, so I know what it looks like. So I know that'll be a beautiful color on this particular bag. All right, guys. So Let me know down below in the comments, do you have any of the Jet Set travel tote bags, whether it's in the large or even all the way down to the extra small? Let me know if you have any, how many you have, what colors, and do you like or don't like this bag? And if you do like it, would you consider picking up any of the recent colors that's available right now? All right, guys. So until the next time, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females need you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easy, baby. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is skin tight is 'cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only gone for the secret outside because I want you to like